going on the train. Right. I think he went.
She's right here. I think it was him. His wife.
Through the tracks. Folks, we are not a subway. We are not a subway. Look all the room we got. In those terrible subway movies, everybody's always falling on the track. We don't have that problem. I don't have stanchions, I apologize, but please come back from the track. Thank you.
Oh, look at Ned. Thank you. Go. He's ready to go. It's taking too long. Do you work here, mister? Your jacket match. Do you work here? It looks like you work at Amtrak. Yes, he said yes. Yes. Trains. Don't get off in the back sometimes and keep walking.
Are now departing. Dearborn.
Bye-bye.
Next stop, Ann Arbor.
And that's okay too, even if you are.
No. I try to look out for families. I try to look out, look out for everything. So, but yeah, last thing I want to do is something. Oh my God, I missed my stop. All right, folks, you're all set.
Okay, mister, we on the move. We gotta go. Yep, I got him. Hi, people.
We are now boarding.
He's so cute. something else?
All right, I think this will be
Oh, we
fine.
don't have to go to the museum. Sit down. KK?
I think me and Shay both agree we'll get
Kids play. Oh, they got a play area? They got a play area, Beau. They got a play area. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, Beau. Oh, because they had a ball.
Hello?
Hey, Shay, they got a kids area over here.
Okay, when mom comes back, I will just relocate.
Okay.
You're around to the left or the right?
To the right. Yeah, it's only one way. It's like a little, when you come out to the left, just go back and you'll see it.
Okay, are they going to bring our food?
No, they're going to text me when it's ready. right there. It's right there. That's the ambulance. He realized his ticket was already paid for.